What's up, it's your boy Groovy Fleet here, back with another video, and today we got a range AFM delete. Now this is a big issue that I've been dealing with this truck ever since I had it. Once it drops into 4-cylinder mode, it'll just like act funny, it'll act like it's misfiring, and today we're gonna fix that issue, so let's go check it out. All right, so boom, we at the unboxing station, aka the bed of the truck. So let's see what we got here. Of course you got the standard box, range technology. Let's go to the back. Now, it does say if your vehicle is sitting for a long period of time, do not leave it plugged in because it will drain your battery. I've seen people do that. I drive this truck pretty much every day, so I doubt I'll have any issues with this. So let's go open up this thing. And bam, we got the range technology AFM delete right here. I actually like how this looks though. I thought it was gonna be black, but it's actually chrome. So let's see if there's anything else in the box. Nope. So that's pretty much it. Let's go and put it in the truck. Let's install this thing. Very simple installation. All you gotta do is come to your truck, open the door, and go right down here to the OBD2 port. Excuse all the wires. I got stuff going on over here, but literally all you do is take it and plug it in. Now make sure your vehicle is off before you plug it in, but that's all you gotta do is just plug it in there. Once that light stops flashing and it's solid right here on this end, you're good to go. Now with that being installed, let's go ahead and crank up the truck, see if everything works good. All right, not getting any kind of lights or anything. Let's see, let's look down here. All right, so all you gotta do now is take it on a test drive. All right, so I'm here cruising and it is just cruising wonderfully. I did notice the transmission started shifting a little bit smoother, and I didn't know it was gonna do that because sometimes it'll clunk into second gear, especially when it shifts in and out of V4 mode. You can hear a little clunk with that as well, but it's driving smooth. The transmission is shifting smoother, but I'm just really curious to see what kind of gas mileage I'm gonna get on the highway, because I know with the active fuel management, as you can see here, it says I was getting 25.6 miles to the gallon. That's the best I've gotten, and that was probably at 65, 70 miles an hour. But I am a highway driver. I do a lot of highway. So I'm just very curious to see what kind of gas mileage I'm gonna get on the highway. So, all right, so I'm on the highway. I will say the pickup getting onto the highway was amazing. I'm talking about it actually drives like a truck now, because before with that slight little second of coasting to get onto the highway, it'll drop into V4 mode, you'll hit the gas and it'll be some delay and it'll just kick back and it'll just send you forward after all that initiation and everything whatnot. But now it's not doing that. It actually has better throttle response and it actually drives like a truck should. Like, it has that V8 pickup that I've been looking for. It's not the V4, the 4-cylinder, like it was driving like a 4-cylinder. I'm not even gonna lie to you. At some points, I will say, at some points, not all the time. But it's cruising along, it's just fine. Is my MPG, like the reading is not dropping anything noticeable. But hey, I'm loving it so far. Throttle response is better, which is the main thing I've been wanting, I've been looking for. Yeah, it did the trick. So with that being said, I think the AFM range disabler is a great investment. $189, you can't go wrong. To save you some lifters, that $3,000 expense is expensive. Okay, I'd rather trade the gas mileage for them. I'd take saving my lifters over my gas mileage, put it like that. But I think it's a great investment. You should definitely think about that. Link will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and copy one, which I definitely think you should, because it transformed the way this truck drives. Like, throttle response is immensely better. But you already know what it is. Also, doing a review on this thing, just give me some time, would give me about 1,000 miles. I come back with it and give you my thoughts on after having it for a while. But you know what it is. Like, comment, subscribe, because you know it's more content coming. Also hit the notification bell, because you know what? We out.